Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and once again I welcome you to my cue card video. And I received your comments. You guys like these cue card videos, okay? The way I'm speaking, this type of speaking will get you minimum 7 band because I myself got 8 band in Ielts speaking, okay, many years ago. Anyways, describe a problem you had while shopping online or in store. Now, you can talk about any problem. Like, there are two things: shopping online or on store. You have to decide whether you shopped online or you did that shopping on store. It depends on you. Online shopping, there can be any issue with the credit card and all that. If you talk about in-store shopping, again you can talk about the card you used and all that. It depends on you. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to talk about, it entirely depends on you. Anyways, describe a problem you had while shopping online or in store. You should say when it happened, time in the past, what you bought, item, what problem you had. You will talk about problem and explain how you felt about the experience. All right. Well, because of internet, online shopping has become the important part of our life. But this online shopping sometimes causes some problems for us. I came across a similar situation when I was going to buy a camera online and I had some difficulty. Well, what happened is Canon is one of my favorite camera companies and I always try to use Canon cameras. So I went to their website and there I purchased a product and I put it to my wish list and then to cart. And by the time I had to pay for the product, I just entered my credit card and it did not accept it. I was actually quite confused because this all happened almost 6 months ago, and I wanted to buy that camera. That camera was very latest model and I wanted to buy it directly from the company because elsewhere I've got trust issues. So initially they refused to accept my credit card. Then I called my bank and I realized the problem was with my credit card because it was blocked for international transactions. And that company, Canon, they had their head office in Singapore at that time. So I had to make a transaction to Singapore. So very simple, I called my bank and I requested them that I need to make this purchase from this website, right? And for that I need international gateway and all that. And upon my request, they opened my credit card for international buying as well. And voila, after 5 minutes effort, I was able to make the payment for this camera, and within next 7 days I received the camera. Well, initially when I was unable to transfer the money for the camera, I felt bad. I felt disappointed, like I was feeling that there is something I would not be able to buy. But once the payment was made and I got confirmation from Canon, and within 7 days when they delivered the camera and I unboxed the camera, I was pretty excited. Okay guys, thank you very much. This was all exaggerated story. Okay, so sometimes for cue card you have to exaggerate the stories. I mean, I could do the same thing with jeans I bought in store shopping or anything like that. So it depends on you. If you can handle the situation, you can talk about it. There's no problem, right? All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. From Ayubia. This is Ayubia Forest Park. All part of Murray, and this is Islamabad, part of Islamabad as well. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.